Okay, so I'm Bernadette Daly from Bones in Motion, and I've been teaching Pilates for about 17 years now.
Amazing. That's really cool. So, you chose to do the teaching movement with confidence online course and coaching program with me, Bernadette. What was it that prompted you to investigate this? What were you like before you joined the program?
I felt like my teaching was stale. It felt very repetitive, and I was struggling to find inspiration. So I was just looking for something to give me that boost again.
Fantastic. And was there anything that made you hesitate about joining the course?
The only thing would have been I worried a little bit about the time, but then I found because you could watch everything at your own pace and then you're putting it into practice while you're teaching. So it didn't end up really taking any extra time at all. So it was really good.
Oh, fantastic. That's really good. And what is it that you gained from doing the course? How has it helped you?
It's made me feel like it's brought the fun back in teaching. And I feel like I'm more confident to be a bit more creative and I feel more focused, definitely. But the other thing is I feel that I've learned how to encourage my clients to take ownership of their own bodies. So now it's actually helping them to feel more confident in themselves as well. So yeah, really good.
Wonderful. Thank you, Bernadette. And would you recommend this course to anybody else?
Definitely. Yep, definitely. I think for it's it's even for people that have been teaching, they're just new to it, or someone that has been teaching for a long time. There's something actually for everybody. So yeah, definitely.